Welcome to 5223 Buttonbush Drive, a beautiful Prairie Craftsman home that is just minutes from downtown Madison and the UW. You can literally see the state capitol from your front door. This immaculate 4-bedroom, open-concept ranch home is located next to bike trails and a nature preserve in the quiet and convenient Swan Creek neighborhood. The main floor boasts an office, laundry room, master bedroom and bath, as well as the living and dining rooms and a kitchen. A modern and expansive kitchen that has granite countertops and a large granite island and breakfast bar. The master bedroom is complete with a large master bathroom with a spacious tile shower. The finished basement is a great place to entertain, as well as having 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, and plenty of storage. Impeccable landscaping and an outdoor patio area with a large pergola is located in the backyard, perfect for you to relax after a long day or enjoy the beautiful weekend. Don't miss out on your next home.